I'm Avner Christus from Class 5, Bosco School of Excellence, Chennai, India. My hobbies include drawing, writing comics, and dancing. I'm happy to present my poem on beauty of nature. I hope you like it. The sun at dawn wakes me up, striking my eyes with its golden rays. The petal-soft rays of the moonlit sky gently rocks me in my cozy little bed. The twinkling of tiny silver stars at night charioted me to a fairyland of dreams. These two cosmic friends make my day every day. Peeping through the parted window blinds, oh, the beauty of nature unfolds like a silken carpet with painted designs. Now I recall the beauteous forms of nature from my reading, traveling, and aimless wanderings. The magical blossomings of tender buds in spring, the gaiety, hustle and bustle of flora and fauna in summer, the mellowing of juicy fruits in autumn, and the floating downy snowflakes in winter bring shades of joy season after season. The snow-capped mountains, the tree-clumped hills, the calm valleys, the dew-decked grass plains, the blinding flash of lightning, the deafening roll of thunder, the pitter-patter of raindrops, the rising swollen rivers, the sweep of wild gusty winds, the white foamy clouds and waves, and the vibrant rainbow arched over the horizon brings peace, hope, and joy for celebration. Thank you.